Wherever you use the map function, you are creating an iterator that applies a function to every member of a set, a list, or a sequence. Now in this example, we have a list of names, and we are trying to create an iterator that actually returns the length of each of the members of this specific list. So if we try to run our code, we shall get the length of each of the names that is within our names list. Another example we may have is one in which we have a list of numbers. Now when we have this list of numbers, all we want to do is to return a list that has a square or a square of every number within our list. So what we do is to create a lambda function that basically takes in a member of the list and then returns the square of that specific number. So we create an iterator that basically calls that function on every item of that specific list. And when we create a list of that iterator, when we run our code, what we shall get is a list that contains each of the numbers squared. Thank you for watching.